1st, 2024. Killeen, Texas. A driver decides that traffic laws are just suggestions. He blows past the cops on I-35, hitting the gas like he's auditioning for Fast and the Furious Texas Edition. Where does he end up? A mall parking lot, because nothing says genius getaway like hiding between shopping carts.
My yellow markers on. Moving to the middle lane now. Yeah, I got eyes on you. He's approaching, still middle lane, about 30 yards from the bridge. Trying to keep traffic off him. I just need you to stop. Yeah, just freeze. We're going to come up on you shortly. We're approaching Whataburger now. Yes, sir. Sorry about that. Still rolling middle lane. Just freeze where you are. Approaching Salotsky. He's jumping all the way to the right lane. Picking it up on the right lane if you can start moving over, passing the Mexican grill. Good copy. Right there, approaching you.
This black one with the 296, David Victor 60.
Open traffic, okay.
Been unsuccessful. Can you advise DPS and MPC westbound? Notify Temple. We're coming up on the CBS right now. So coming up on 7 speed. So just leave it westbound. Right shoulder speed 74. Shot Matt Hamilton.
Right now, 74, shoulder rest.
Still on the right hand shoulder, picking it up, speed 90.
I've been up there on the shoulder. 514, behind that road, just 14. Copy, exit, sure, about mall.
We're turning north on the WS Young, north on WS Young. Going into the Killeen Mall,
Mall parking lots of sequence.
We're looping back around here.
After the parking lot performance, our hero decides it's time for the sequel. He floors it right into JCPenney. Because who needs doors when you've got chaos? 14 people hit, shoppers screaming, and he's still thinking, yeah, this is going great. Cops go full action movie, chasing him on foot while the car keeps rolling like it owns the mall. Truly a masterclass in bad life choices.
Any quick rotates?
Driving, because who listens to police warnings, right? Officers shout, wave, nothing. He's too busy auditioning for Fast and Clueless. Before he can reach the crowded part of the mall, police unleash almost 60 shots. 60. Because subtlety clearly left the scene a long time ago.
Move out of the way! Reloading! Shots fired!
Yeah, I'm gonna break this way.
Alright, alright.
My weapon, please. Yes. Hey, we need a hands team. We need a hands team and a cover. I can have cover if you guys get hands. All right.
I hope your hands.
Is it locked up? Hey, we have EMS on the way? Yeah, we got EMS coming. We need EMS. We got a lot of EMS coming.
Killeen Mall, JCPenney.
Put cuffs on him?
Suspect down. Hey, what are you? EMT. Yes. All right.
Do you have anybody?
No. Hold on. Hey, I'll grab him if we. Y'all ready?
Let's go. Over here.
Go and Kenny.
I think we can come around from the other side. Hey, can we get
Just
one
one.
on the other side of the truck?
What we got? No, here, let me pull this up for you. Come on. Here you go. Break it. Is there somebody in there? Can we get
In here? No, just him. So it'd be easier to get this one. It'd be easier to get him out of that side. Hey, I think it's. Hey, let's take him out the other door. All right. Hey, I don't have anything other than tourniquet on me. Let's go and detain him though, just in case.
there's one in the back.
Check the head. Let's check the head first.
Yeah, oh, he's.
Yeah, let's. This way.
No one right there. Yeah. One in there.
Go have some coffee. Then I'm going to have to give a statement, and we're going to.
Hey, where's suspect?
Back there on the right.
Hey, he's gonna run around. Like the door.
Boys over right here.
Don't get touched. You guys good?
Daryl Schultz finally met the one thing he couldn't outrun: consequences. He died at the scene, ending his self-made action movie. Luckily, no one else paid the price for his stupidity. That's all for this one, folks. See you in the next episode of What Were They Thinking?